Yep, y'all know what it is. This is the 2013 Nissan Altima. Get ready to take this radio out. I do have a video on how to remove this, so I won't go through that. So let's get started. So taking the radio out in the SV. There's a bunch of coaxes here, but this is the one you need with the pink 12-volt switched wire on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tap into that wire and use it to switch the amp on and off when the key is turned. Of course, in here is the push button. But either way, yeah, that's the wire you need for a 12-volt switch. It's pink, and it's this one right here. Is this one? It's not the other one with all the pink ones on here. I know you see that one. That was connected to the unit as well. But it is this one, the one with the green and all these wires on there. So it's this one. Okay. So let me get this connected up and the wire ran, and we'll do some testing. Okay, so for this one, I'll be installing a high-level converter. What this does, in case you don't have any RCAs on the factory radio or any other radio of that for that matter, you can use this converter to convert a high-level input down to a low input, and then you'll have your RCAs. What I'm going to do is mount this to the back here and use the right and the left speaker terminals to hook this up, and then I'll run my RCAs in there because my amp positioning will be right here in this corner. I built a little base here to kind of mount up in that corner to keep my amp secure, and that way I'll be able to put my speaker right in between the wheel wells. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing wired up and go from there. Well, I've completed putting in the high-level converter. I mounted it right there. I got it all wired to the speakers in the back. Right now I've got my RCAs ran on through here to the amp, which I'm mounted on the side here. There's my amp plate, and I'm mounting it to. I got my capacitor, getting ready to charge it up and see if the amp comes on. So let's get that done. So I've completed the setup here. Got the 10-inch speaker, Rockford Fosgate T1D410 power series. Got the capacitor is fired up, reading at 12 volts with the key turned back or pushed into the auxiliary. Got the amp fired up. It is a Prime R1000-1D 2-ohm stable, bridged, and we got our Tsunami ground distribution block. And I've already tuned the amp with the SMD DD1, and we'll go up to the front of the vehicle and get some tunes playing and see how it sounds here in just a bit. I want to also show you that tapped into each speaker wire to achieve using the high level converter. The high level converter is mounted right there. Right there. RCA's plugged in, and the RCA's run all the way over into the carpet and come out right there. I've showed you this. And the other side, same way. I have something in the description showing you which one is the positive and which one is the negative from the back rear speakers on here. So let's go up to the front and see how this thing sounds.